Article 1. The time when acts takes effects. This code shall be takes effects on the first day of January 1932. Article 2. Application of its provision. Exemption as provided of treaties and laws of preferential application. This code shall not only be enforced within Philippine archipelago, but also its atmosphere, interior water, maritime zone, and outside of his jurisdictions, against who should commit an offense in Philippine ship or airship, should forge or counterfeit any coin or bank note currency of Philippine Island. Article 3. Felonies. Felonies, an act and omission punishable by laws, are felonies. Not felonies consummated not only by means of dolo or deceit, but also by means of culpa or fault. Article 4. Criminal liability. Criminal liability shall be incurred by any person committing a felony, although the wrongful act done is different from which he intended, by any person committing an offense against crimes against persons or property. Then Article 6. Consummated, frustrated, and attempted felonies. Consummated felony, also which frustrated and attempted felonies are punishable. Felony is consummated when all the necessary elements are execution and accomplishment are present.